So this video, we're going to talk about publishing drum covers to your channel and then having to deal with copyright issues, blocking issues. So probably about 5 or so years ago, I posted a video by Jay-Z called Bam, featuring Damian Marley, because I'm a big reggae fan. And I wanted to do a drum cover video of that. Well, when I posted it, YouTube decided to block the video. I can understand why. It's not my music. It's copywritten music. But I'm not making any money off this stuff. And I'm definitely not making any money off of other people's music in my videos. I was kind of butthurt that they blocked my video. Here I am, a small channel, just trying to make some drum covers. And the big guy's going to step on me and say, no, you can't do that. So what I did was file a dispute. I ended up winning, and they reposted the video and unblocked it. When I got my video unblocked, I found out that there is a certain situation called the Fair Use Act. If you're educating people or doing a review on a song, then you have every right to have that piece of music playing in the background. I can understand if you are trying to take their song, put it in a movie where you're going to be profiting off that movie, or a TV show where you're going to be profiting off the TV show, even trying to take the instrumental version of the song and putting your own spin of lyrics on top of it. I get all that. I'm not trying to do that. I just wanted to make a drum cover playing on top of the song already. I guess the way that YouTube is set up is, even if you are using other people's music, like bigger channels that are out there that have millions and millions of views, they are profiting more so on the ads that are being run in the video and the clicks than anything else. It's not the music, it's the ad revenue. I can understand why you would want to post videos using other people's music to get more attention, more attraction to that channel, and then more people watch, and then you get more ad clicks and all that good stuff. I'm not even close to that level yet. I would like to be, but I'm not anywhere close to that. So I don't mind disputing my videos. It has recently come up again on the latest video that I posted, which was the #1 song on Apple Music. And I'm currently going through a dispute with that video too. Once you file the dispute, you have to make sure, absolutely without a question, that you are not going to profit or try to make any money off this dispute, because you could have your YouTube channel terminated. That's the last thing I would want to have happen. And I'm sure that's the last thing anybody out there would want to have happen to their channel, is to lose all of it. Fortunately, I back up all of my videos. Every single video that I've ever made on YouTube, I actually have a copy of it on a hard drive. It's always a good idea to back your stuff up whenever you're making your videos, because you don't want to put all this great content out into the world and then lose it over a stupid dispute. Now, when it comes to copywritten music and using it in your videos, I can definitely understand their point of view as far as why they would want to block that video. They think that you're going to be profiting off of other people's music. So I will submit a formal dispute, and I will stand my ground claiming that this is fair use and that I am not profiting on this video, because I am not. I don't see why I can't make a drum cover of somebody's song playing along to it. There's nothing wrong with that. Some might say that it's also educational. You're teaching people how to make drum covers, how to perform on the drum cover. Maybe there's a lick that I play and people are like, wow, that's a crazy lick. I want to watch it over and over again. You get it? I know you get it. Both times they've tried to block it, and both times I've submitted a dispute and they have unblocked it. If you run into any issues having to do this, you keep getting blocked, you can file a dispute. Some might say that it's easy to kind of alter the sound a little bit, maybe speed it up, slow it down. Those are cool little neat tricks, but they don't always work. I just post it as is. I'm not really worried about all that. I have been blocked twice. I have won twice. So far, I have a pretty good winning record. Let's hope that I can continue. if I do keep getting blocked. Hopefully not. 2 out of 300 something videos is not bad. I hope it was somewhat helpful. Thanks for watching. If you wouldn't mind, hit subscribe. As always, I really do appreciate it. You can also follow me on all social media at bdags79. Take care, y'all. See you on the next one.